yet. No, yeah. G2. 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 Ow! Ow! Owie! That was not gentle. Yeah. What do you have to say about that? You just gouged my nose out.
Did you honk Grandma's nose?
No, she didn't.
Honk.
She stuck her finger in and scratched it.
Honk.
Oh,
No,
don't
honk.
do that. Oh, no, kids. What's the matter with you? Don't do that.
She's honking.
She's gouging her eyes.
Honk.
She's squeezing her cheeks hard.
Honk.
Oh, that's a little violent. You look like, I don't know. Ah, you look like some kind of freaky little character. Like a little Chucky doll.
Lady, honk. Honk.
Not so hard.